Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm excited to take you on a walking tour of one of my favorite spots in Spain, San Sebastián Beach. Now let's head towards the sea. The water here is perfect for swimming, and the waves are perfect for surfing. You can also rent paddle boards and kayaks to explore the sea at your own pace. As we walk along the beach, you'll also notice the colorful umbrellas and sun loungers that are scattered around. These are available to rent, and they make for the perfect spot to relax and soak up the sun. Take a moment to appreciate the stunning view of the sea from here. San Sebastián Beach is also home to a number of annual events, such as the Sitges Film Festival and the Santa Tecla Festival. These events bring in people from all over the world and offer a unique glimpse into the culture and traditions of Spain. As we come to the end of our tour, I hope you enjoyed your time at San Sebastián Beach. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel content.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.